Well, hello, this is just a quick lesson to show you how you can ask questions and give feedback within Udemy. And here we are in one of the lessons in my Canva 2020 graphic design class. Now, if you have any questions about the course content, then in each lesson, you're going to see a tab called Q&A. So just simply click that and you will come to a page that looks like this. You can either search through existing questions to see if other students have had the same issue as yourself and to see if it's been resolved. And if you want to ask a new question, you can click right here and you'll be presented with this option. Now, if you have any questions on the course itself, course content, any of the items that we've discussed, in this case about Canva, then click the course content. And that means that your question will come to me directly and I can answer it. If it's a question about something else, a technical question, a billing question, perhaps one of the videos isn't playing for you, perhaps some audio isn't playing, then click something else and then click continue. And then your question will go to the technical staff at Udemy. Because if you have any technical problems with the course, it's pointless sending them to me because I actually can't help you with that. And again, if you have any questions about the course content, it's pointless sending that to Udemy because I'm the course creator and I understand the material intimately. Or you can go to support.udemy.com where you can either search their knowledge base or you can contact Udemy directly via their live chat option. So if you did have a question, for example, poor audio playback, you would type that in here. You can search through the results they give you. And if you don't find anything that's particularly applicable to your needs, you can click down here in the bottom right on the chat window, open up a chat panel, enter your message, and click Start Chat. And an Udemy support person will then come online and talk you through your issue. So those are the three options you have for contacting either myself or Udemy during your course. You can come to Q&A, you can click course content to send me a message, you can click something else to send Udemy a message, or you can go to support.udemy.com, search their knowledge base, or use their live chat option. And if their live chat happens to be offline at any point, what you will see in the bottom right-hand corner here is a send us a message button. So there you go. That's how you either send me a message or how you contact Udemy if you have any technical or billing questions. I hope that was useful, and as always, thank you very much for your time.